Today, we have an incredible topic that will blow your mind: making $25,000 per month with AI, and the best part? You can achieve this without any upfront investment. Whether you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into the world of online entrepreneurship or a seasoned pro seeking new opportunities, this video is packed with valuable insights that will help you make money online in 2023. So, let's dive in. Understanding the power of AI. Artificial intelligence is reshaping industries across the globe, and it's time for you to tap into its immense potential. In this segment, we'll explore the power of AI, its impact on the online business landscape, and how it can revolutionize your earning potential. Get ready to discover the endless possibilities AI brings to the table. The zero investment approach. Many people believe that making money online requires significant upfront investment. But guess what? We're about to debunk that myth. In this segment, I'll reveal how you can start your online journey with zero investment. We'll discuss free AI tools, platforms, and resources that can kickstart your income-generating ventures without breaking the bank. Exploring lucrative AI business models. Now that you understand the power of AI and the zero investment approach, let's dive into some lucrative AI business models that can help you reach that impressive $25,000 per month milestone. From AI-powered affiliate marketing to chatbot consulting services and AI-generated content creation, we'll explore various avenues that are ripe with earning potential. Step-by-step guide to AI implementation. Implementation is key, and in this segment, we'll provide you with a step-by-step guide to successfully implementing AI in your online business. We'll cover everything from setting up AI-driven marketing campaigns to leveraging AI algorithms for data analysis and optimization. Follow along as we break down the process into easy-to-follow steps. Unveiling success stories and case studies. There's nothing more inspiring than real success stories, right? In this segment, we'll share jaw-dropping case studies of individuals who have made it big in the online world using AI. From solopreneur to small businesses, you'll hear first-hand accounts of how they started from scratch and transformed their lives through AI-driven ventures. Leveraging AI automation for maximum efficiency. Time is money, and in this segment, we'll show you how to leverage AI automation to maximize your efficiency and productivity. We'll explore tools and techniques that can help streamline your operations, automate repetitive tasks, and free up your time to focus on high-value activities that drive revenue. Scaling up your AI-powered business. Now that your AI business is gaining traction, it's time to scale up and multiply your earnings. In this segment, we'll discuss strategies for scaling your AI-powered business, including expanding your offerings, reaching new markets, and building a team to support your growing operations. Get ready to take your income to new heights. The future of AI and online entrepreneurship. As we wrap up this incredible journey, let's take a moment to gaze into the future of AI and online entrepreneurship. We'll discuss emerging trends, technological advancements, and exciting opportunities that await you in the years to come. Stay ahead of the curve and position yourself for even greater success. There you have it, your roadmap to making $25,000 per month with AI in 2023 without any upfront investment. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Remember, the possibilities are limitless when you combine AI with your entrepreneurial spirit. So, start taking action, implement what you've learned, and let's make 2023 your year of massive online success. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And remember, the future is now, so let's dive into the world of AI and make money online together. Disclaimer: the strategies discussed in this video are for educational purposes only. Results may vary based on individual efforts and market conditions. Always do thorough research and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions.